Hello everyone, in this video I will show you our new product that is KinCony T16M. Because we designed this controller for the tiny version, it's very small and will save your space. So we called T16M. The M that means it's 16-channel MOSFET output. So that's called the tiny version of 16-channel MOSFET output smart controller. And in this video, I will show you some hardware design details and how it works. Okay, let's look at my computer, and you can see this is T16M, and this also you can see support by ESP home because we use this ESP32S3 and also use the large memory size N16R8 the chip, and the power voltage support 12 volt to 24 volt DC. And there are some free GPL, 7 free GPL you can use for sensor, you can use for one-wire device, and you can connect with our 4G module by this GPL, and also support install on the DIN rail. And the software solution that you can download the KC868-V3 firmware. The V3 firmware is very powerful, and you can download the firmware by ESP Home and integrate to Home Assistant. And also you can write your Arduino source code, and also you can write the code by the ESP IDF development tool for your own requirement. And you can see the ESP32 I/O pin defined and the ESP Home YAML file all have listed here. You can see in our form. You will see have a T16M just at here, and you will find how to use this by the ESP Home YAML, and just download and directly to use. And the ESP32 pin define at here, pin define at here, and the Arduino source code. You can see every hardware resource how to use the demo source code at here. You can click for anyone, and you will see the demo source code, and you will see the bin file. You just download it to ESP32 and directly to use. And also you will see this source code you can modify in Arduino IDE, and this is the bin file you just can directly to use. Okay, let's look at this hardware design details, and we will open this box and look at the PCB board inside. You can see this is KinCony A16 board. Before we have designed some years ago, and you can see we have designed this new version A16 V3. The V3 used by ESP32S3. This board will release soon. This already have finished development. And also we have designed this B16M. That is the DIN rail standard size that can easy to install on the DIN rail power distribution box at here. So this is B16M. And now you can see we have designed this T16M. So you can see this is very small, the tiny version. So you can see if I put all board together, and you will see this only cost a little space. Just you can see this one. So you can see we have designed the new version for save the space. You can see save the space. So if I give you see this two board, this is B16M and this is T16M. So you will see that is the size. You can see. I think that can save many space in your power distribution box. Okay, let's look at. I will show you the size in details. Okay, you can see this is the size of this direction and this direction. Do you see the size? This direction and this one. You can see this one. is this size. So this board is very small. And you can see this is the output, MOSFET output 16 channel at this terminal. And this is the Wi-Fi antenna for ESP32S3. And the reset button and download button and the Ethernet port. And the USB-C cable for download firmware by ESP Home or by Arduino or by ESP IDF. And also download the KCS firmware by this USB-C cable. And this you can see the 16 channel digital input. The digital input also we have designed for long distance, support 500 meter for the cable. And this have a IS485 interface, IS485 A and B. So you can use IS485 sensor or other device. And this I/O different GPIOs at here that have 7 free GPIO to use. You can connect with your sensor or other device. And the power from 12 volt to 24 volt. Okay, you can see this is T16M. Now I will open this box and let you see the inside PCB board. Okay, now this is the cover. We can open the cover. And you will see this have 2 PCB. And this one is LED PCB board. At the top, you can see the fixed. And the chip you can see, the ESP32S3. And we can also open this plastic shield, open this screw. And take a part of it and move out the PCB board. And you will see this is in front of T16M, and this is back. And you will see this is Ethernet chip W5500, the Ethernet chip, and this for input and this for output. And you can see the PCB. This will have a cable, have connect with this SMA socket. This will have a cable and the I2C chip, I/O extender chip. So this is the high quality we have designed. Just we designed this board become small, very small. You can see this is very small. We have reduced delete the 2R module from this B16M, and this board is very good for ESP Home and for input and for output, and some free GPIO. You can connect with the DS18B20 temperature sensor or DHT11, DHT22 sensor. So it's enough for you to use, and you can use DIY this board by your code. It's also very well. Okay, this is T16M.